Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to your Revolut. So first thing you need to do is open up your Bybit app and then you have to click on this assets option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you will be able to see this similar screen. So from these options, you have to click on this withdraw, the second one. And on this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. You can take the help of this search bar. So click on this search bar and search for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. I will just type USDT and select the USDT from search results. Then after you do that, you need to paste the wallet address in this area from your Revolut. So open up your Revolut app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you will just have to click on this receive button from this screen, and from this list of cryptocurrencies you have to search for the same currency that you are transferring from the Bybit. So you can also use the search bar here, or you can scroll down and find your cryptocurrency. So I will just find USDT and click on it, and then you will be able to get your QR code and wallet address. So you just have to click on this copy button, and you also have to make sure that the network is Ethereum or any other network that is listed here. So you have to select the same network in your Bybit. So just go back to the Bybit app and then you just have to click on this network tab, and then from the search from this drop down menu or list of networks you have to select the same network that is listed on your Revolut. So after you do that, you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this withdraw button, and then it will just ask you to confirm details such as your wallet address, network and amount. And once you confirm these details, click on transfer button and your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Bybit to your Revolut. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.